guys, I'm high at Dollar General, so I thought what better time for a food review than now. Sorry, the air's on. So here I got an M&M milk chocolate bar with peanuts. This is the yellow packaging with the yellow M&M, peanut M&M guy. And some people pulled up. I think they're going on a date of some sort. Who knows? So we got the M&M guy. I ripped a piece of him off on the bar here, and there's some snot on me right here because I sneezed before I started recording. So I'm tasting a lot of peanut M&M, but more chocolatey. And I love myself a peanut M&M. It really does taste similar to the type of chocolate and like candy shell taste. Of the M&M we all know and love. That's pretty good. I have to give that. I love me a peanut M&M, so I'm gonna have to give that 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. All right, so I think I lost my wallet. All right, see you later.